Yunlin is a major farming county in Taiwan, but it's also really close to the sea. Beside the crop fields and laid-back countryside living, you don't want to miss out on fun at the seaside. I'm in 𝒀𝒏𝒍𝒊𝒏 Fishing Harbor. It is located on the northwest side of Yunlin County. Every summer and autumn, people come here for a fun activity. Rain boot check, gloves check, rakes check, bucket check. Let's go clam digging! The key of clam digging is that you have to look for holes on the mud. As we walk by, there are so many holes over there. You have to find a hole and then start digging around it because you don't want to damage the clam. Let's see if we are in luck today. What about this one? Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Let's keep digging, because maybe they're in groups. Maybe they like to stick together, right? Wait, I feel something. I think we got 2 of them. Look, first one. I saw the other one. Look, my first gem of the day. A big clam. Let's put it in the bucket. I guess it didn't go well today. We only got quite a few. The clams cannot be cooked or eaten immediately after being dug up because they need to be put in the seawater to spit out sand for at least 3 to 4 hours. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with a mouthful of sand. Because we only got a few, it's not even a meal for me. Let's move on to our trip. Rice is a staple food in Taiwan, and there are all different types of rice dishes. Today, I'm gonna take you to a typical eatery. It's called steamed rice in Douluo. Steamed rice is a type of dish that originated from countryside living. In the past, life on the farm was busy, so to save time and avoid waste, people would quickly put together any remaining ingredients and rice into a bowl before heading out. Then, steam cook it. When they return home, after farming, they can enjoy the meal right away. 谢谢. Wow, look at that. It's not plain steamed rice. This is the steamed rice in Douluo. It's the traditional dish. Look at that. It's got meat floss, braised pork, sweet peas, and egg on the top. I also ordered some side dishes. Steamed egg, veggies, stewed tofu soup, and some delicious pork cuts. Okay, let's give this a try. All right. Oh my God, delicious. This is just the type of comfort food that you want to order out. Especially when you leave your hometown at the early age, you will miss home. This tastes like home. Look at this amber color, the glossy skin. So good. The aroma is really strong.